Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix spline rendering problems. If your scene appears blank, textures aren't loading correctly, animations look broken, or objects aren't displaying the way they should, don't worry. Yeah, there are several common causes, and I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step in 2026. First, refresh your browser and reload the project. Sometimes rendering issues are caused by temporary loading errors that disappear after reopening the scene. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Spline relies on online resources, and a weak connection can prevent textures, assets, or project data from loading properly. Now check whether your browser is up to date. Older browser versions may not fully support modern rendering technologies, which can cause display problems inside Spline. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Yeah, corrupted cached files can sometimes interfere with rendering and prevent projects from displaying correctly. If your project contains a large number of objects, lights, or high-resolution textures, try simplifying it. Heavy scenes can sometimes overload your device and create rendering issues. Also try disabling browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and script-related extensions can occasionally interfere with how Spline renders content. If the issue continues, test the project on another computer or browser. This can help determine whether the problem is related to your device or the project itself, and that's basically it. Those are some of the best ways to fix spline rendering problems in 2026. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped your scene display correctly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.